What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video by your ultimate fave. Now, if you guys are new here today, you know exactly what to do. Click that subscribe button, and for all my returning subscribers, welcome to another video by your ultimate fave. And as you can see, your ultimate fave is banging because she just got a brand new unit, child. Like, I always feel so good and so rich. I always feel like the baddest girl on the earth when I've got a banging unit, guys. So today I'm going to be doing an install courtesy of Wiggins Hair. Now, Wiggins Hair sent me this unit and I've been geeking over it. Do you understand? Like, it's all I can think about. It's all I can touch. I've been doing this to my hair so much that I'm even like kind of combing out the curls with my fingers, but that's how much I can't stop touching the hair. When we're talking about body wave, we are talking about this unit. Do you understand? So now I've had this unit and I've tried it on and I've put it on, so I want you guys to see and kind of help me install it. I think this has probably been one of the best and easiest frontals I've ever installed, considering the fact that it's got an amazing band. But I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it and how I got it to look like this. So if you guys want to see how I install this wig, then please keep watching. I am so excited, guys. I'm geeking. Can you tell how excited I am? I have been waiting for this unit for about maybe a week or so, and I finally get to kind of unbox it and install it with you guys. Okay, this is the Wiggins 24-inch body wave wig, and initially when I saw it on the website and I actually ordered it, I thought to myself, you know what, I hope it looks the way that it looks on the actual website. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. You know what, I've been waiting for weeks for this wig and I've been seeing how it looks on the website. It is one of their most popular wigs on their site. A lot of people were actually purchasing whilst I was having a look at this wig. So I was telling myself, honestly, when it gets here, I really hope that it lives up to the hype, because you know the thing about ordering on websites is that you never really know what to expect. Okay, so I got the 24-inch body wave wig, the one with like the HD frontal, and I think it's pre-plucked. The first thing that I noticed about this is that it feels heavy, because I wasn't actually sure if the wig was gonna feel as heavy as it was. I got the 250% density, so I was just like, 24-inch 250% density, that's a lot of hair. That's about maybe what, 4+ bundles, so, or 3+ bundles, I could be wrong. So I was just, that was the first thing that occurred, and it definitely is living up to the expectations, guys. Let me actually show you what it looks like. Oh my god, oh, look at this, guys, look at this. This is body, sweetie. This is body. Look at the frontal in itself. The frontal actually looks so natural. It's already pre-plucked. It's even laid down. So one of the things that I noticed about this is that I got the small wig cap, and it does actually have a band where you can actually adjust the wig cap on the inside. But one of the things that I picked up on the website is that this one can actually even mimic a clueless wig. I mean, it is a frontal, but once you put it on, all you need to do is actually just glue the sides, and it can just get off as being a wigless or clueless wig. But already as it is, you can feel the body of the hair, the body, guys. When I did this makeup look, I'm not even finna cap, when I did this makeup look, I was like, this hair needs to be as good as my makeup is today, and this hair is better. And side note, shout out Wiggins, because they actually sent me some 3D lashes. I'm actually wearing them right now, and I'm already sold. I was sold off the lashes, so I'm pretty sure that this hair is actually gonna blow me away. So the first thing that we're gonna do is I'm actually just gonna color the frontal so that it looks like my hair. Because it is HD, I do want it to kind of melt into my skin. So to color the wig, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's actually a very nice light foundation, and I'm using it in the shade 342. I'm shade 330, but I do go a shade darker because I want it to not look too light on my forehead. I wish I did have a tint though. It would have honestly made it easier, but I still feel like the whole foundation setup still works as well, and it really does give a natural look to it. So I still use this technique. It is a little bit outdated because, like I said, there are tint sprays that you can use which are absolutely cool, and I'm just really excited to put this on because I love me a good wig, child. I don't even think you guys are gonna believe this, but I'm gonna drop all the details definitely in the description box, and you guys will have a chance to see this. So now that I've colored the actual lace, it's time to put it on. as you guys can see, look at that. Look at that. Like, I haven't even done anything to this lace as it is. All I've done is actually just color the hair, and I'm geeking. I can't sit. Everything is just moving. Everything is so natural. Like, this is 24 inches, but it still doesn't feel as long. It doesn't feel overwhelming. I think one of the things I was nervous about is that is 24 inches going to be a bit too long because I'm quite short. But already as it is, the way it's sitting, guys, even when I show you guys the lace of how it's sitting, like, this is just insane, okay? Everything just looks and feels super natural. There is absolutely nothing that I want to change about this. I guess the only thing that I would need to do is obviously cut the sides of my ear. I've got this in the size small, so all I'm just going to be focused on doing is just cutting the edges of the hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install it. You guys are just going to see me install the wig, and then we will give our final thoughts towards the end of the video. That is it, guys. That is how I do this install. As you can see, I did comb out my curls a little bit because I did see that, you know, I'm going to be shooting for a while, and because they are body wave curls, they do go down. So I did comb them out with my wide tooth comb just to kind of get them to kind of settle a little bit, because I also don't want the hair to kind of, you know, frizz at the back. That's the one thing I don't want to happen. Off the bat, this hair just feels amazing, you guys. Like, as you can see, I think for me the most important thing is just making sure that the frontal lays like a dream, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it honestly does. I absolutely love this unit. Like, it actually just excites me so much. I don't even know, like, if I want to take take it off. I knew that I said that I wanted to take it off so I could wear it again this weekend, but I think I'm just gonna keep it on for a few days just to give you guys an update on how it looks towards the end. But comment down below, let me know what you think of the hair. I will say, however, honestly, there is a bit of shedding, but I think it's obviously because I was combing out all those curls. That's why I comb them out as much as I can, and ever since I've combed them out, I feel like it's not even shedding as much as it was when I began, because I did notice a lot of shedding because they were kind of, you know, wrapped up into curls. But now that the curls have kind of subsided, it's just feeling so amazing. The quality of the hair is just insane. It just still feels so soft. It feels amazing. I've actually even had it on for hours, as you can see, and the lace still looks like it's melted, honey. So yeah, guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. But until then, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video right here on YouTube.